The MSc Drug Discovery, Development and Delivery is about transforming ideas about medicines to improve people's lives.
It's all about how, from the starting pre-formulation of drugs, how the drugs are synthesized to how they are delivered outside in the world.
It can be from the natural side, that's the plant. It can be the synthetic process, that's in the lab where you discover a chemical compound. And then from there you develop it into a formulation that is acceptable to the patient. And then the delivery part is where you design it into something that is more palatable.
Even the business side of stuff, like the funding, the marketing, it covers all the basis of developing your drug and getting it out there to production.
So the course gives a wide overview of the life cycle of the creation of the medicine.
I was always interested in something that is related to chemistry and pharmaceutical sciences, so this is the perfect combination of both.
LJMU is one of the best universities here. It had everything in the description of what I want to do in the future, and it's just a no-brainer to apply for. I love this place.
There are lots of learning activities in the course, such as the design of posters and presentations, interactive workshops, and of course, lab practicals.
It's more research-driven course, and it's focused on learning practical skills that are required for pharmaceutical industry.
It gives everything in organic chemistry, and it's also a lot of problem solving in the labs.
They hit on the whole drug discovery and development process. So it's not only one area that is focused in. You get the discovery part, you get the development part, and the delivery part. So you're able to get an understanding of both areas, and you can easily choose on what area you want to specialize in later on.
Right now I'm really enjoying the lab work. Everything's catered towards industry. Everything's just amazing. You get a lot of independence in the lab, so you can learn your critical thinking.
What makes the course particularly good is our facilities.
You have a variety of the instrumentation that are needed in analysis, and you get to have a hands-on experience on them. The library is also well stocked with all the course material and any reference materials needed.
Facilities are really amazing. All the instrumentation is from stuff in placement as well. So if I was to go into industry, I'll know how to use each instrumentation.
So we are learning lots of things by using all the high-tech equipments like HPLC, NMR. The equipments are really amazing and everything is superb.
One thing that stands out about the course is our teaching team. We have specialists in many different areas of pharmaceutical science.
The teaching support, the teaching staff and the lab technicians, they are really amazing and they are really helpful. Whenever I need the support, I just email or ask in person.
The professors are fantastic. You get that one-on-one approach, and they have the experience both in the pharma industry. They are friendly and you're able to converse with them. You also have an access of the PowerPoints on the Canvas portal, which has all the information needed, and the recorded classes also.
Students have gone on to work in the pharmaceutical industry in roles such as analysis and crystallography.
For my future, as I'm interested in working in pharmaceutical industry, so this degree perfectly aligns because all the skills and all the learning is making me prepare to go into the pharmaceutical industry.
So I really want to go into drug delivery, and the current module I'm doing, drug delivery and development, caters precisely for that. It covers all the instrumentation used in industry and all the background knowledge that you should need to know when going into work placements.
If you're passionate about science and want to make a difference to the next generation of medicines, the MSc in Drug Discovery, Development and Delivery at LJMU is a perfect place to start.